Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MVIS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the pullback on this one continues, and it's all about perspective right now in terms of whether or not you should feel bullish or bearish on this chart. What do I mean? Well, if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought right there, maybe you bought there, maybe you bought, right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 10 minutes. Well, from that point of view, hopefully you're feeling very bearish. In fact, hopefully you're not even in the trade any longer. If you are, then that tells me you either aren't using stop losses or you didn't honor the stop losses, both of which are very bad situations. But point here being, from the very day trader type viewpoint of things are looking pretty rough, and that's a very bearish situation. Now, for those of you that maybe care about more so the big picture of things, yeah, the price did pull back, but the main level to keep an eye on is that purple line there. It's on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average. In fact, it's one of those areas where even if you have a very basic surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, you want to see the price stay up above it. And as you can see right here, so far so good. The price is doing a fantastic job of just hovering right above that level. So from that angle, yeah, big picture, everything is still okay. Now that could quickly change if the pullback continues, and that is where I'm not gonna call this a do or die level, but this area down here at $2 definitely is kind of one of those areas where it would really change the landscape of the chart if, and this is an if, the price were to go down there and then break down through it. I'm not saying at all that that's what's for sure going to happen. I mean, there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market. My core point here is that, that's where things start to change around a little bit. But assuming, again, that you care about the big picture of things, even with the pullback today, everything is still perfectly fine from, the trend perspective. In the event there is any sort of bounces to the upside, key level of resistance definitely going to be right there at 265. So keep a close eye on that. But let's see how the week continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.